Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me on Amazon Web Service. In our last video, we studied about how to create an Amazon account. Okay, so after creating this account, this is we explained in Amazon Web Service part 1 video. Then immediately you go for the opt root user, just select it there. There you put the username or the email ID what you use there. Then one captcha will be appearing there, ASDF something like that. Use the captcha, write it there neatly, correctly. Then put your password. Okay. After putting the password, just you connect. Okay, enter it there. So then it will appear there in front of you. That is the EC2 of Amazon Web Service. It will appear. Select EC2. That one search will be there. In that search you select EC2. Then after this you launch the instance, right? Then before this you have to select the type of operating system and we select 64-bit x86, right? Then you press the select button here. You can see it here what I am showing you it here. Then you go to the select instance type, you to t2.micro and enter there. Then 3 or 4 times it will come that the configure instance, then click next, then add storage, click next, then add tag, click next, then config security group, click next. Then after that it will ask you, you go for the add rules. In the add rules you select the custom TCP by default it will there and replace it first by HTTP. Then also the same thing you repeat next, and then you go for the again select the custom TCP. Just in the add rule 2 times you are going to add the rule. First one is the HTTP, second one is for the HTTPS, which I have already shown you. Then for the both the cases HTTP and HTTPS, select the source, both source, that is anywhere. By default will be something you change to anywhere. Then what you do, then a review and launch. Then you go for the launching these things. Then after this what you will find, you will have things like change the key pair. So in this change the key pair it will appear there, just you click it there. Then first time you go for create a new pair, new key pair, because once you create a key pair then you can use it, but first time you have to create a new key pair, that I will explain now. Then you can give a name to that one. Just I give develop key or dev key or any key, any name you can give it. Okay, and download that key. Once it is created you download that key and save it. Then while you are launching this instance, they launch the instance, view the instance. Here two things is required. First you copy the IP address. What is the IP address? It is there in the EC2. Then copy the IPv4 address, and every time the IPv address also will be changing. It is dynamic, like that is there. So once it is there you put it there, and similarly the key what you put it there also, this key also you have to select. And this is a procedure which I have already explained there in our video 1. In this video what I am going to tell you, what are things I explained to you. Let me explain all the things. See, first of all I explain you how to do the different type of up to uh, up to the things you have already known, but how to convert the key. For that what you need to do, what I already downloaded, told you two things. One is the putty and the puttygen. Okay, one is the putty, another is the puttygen. Regarding the putty, already I have given a demonstration how to work on that one. Then how to convert that one, you double click on this puttygen. Once you double click this puttygen, you can see it is showing, do you want to run this? Yes, I want to run this. Run it here, and after running you can see a putty key generator. It is coming like this. You click this conversion and it will ask you import key. So import the key. Where you get the key? Because the key is already that time I created. I told you that is devkey.pem. That the file will be develop key.pem. Okay, you select this one, then you open. Oh, sorry. So you click it here. Then after that you just open it here. Once you open it here, you can find something it is there, and the entire thing is coming. Then you have to generate. Okay, for this generations you just click it there, generate. So it will be taking some time for generating. Once this generation part is there, a key will be generated, and in the name of what we selected, that is the develop .pm, there it will be converted to develop .ppk. Okay, so this is the things. It will take some time, and don't worry, because based on the network speed and all things it takes some time. So once it is completed, that is under this RSA, can see it here. So it will be stored. That you can see it here, it is generating. Please generate some randomness. So I am putting it here, and you see so randomly put it here. So randomly generated. I think it is nearly over. Okay, then once it there, then save the private key. Okay, save the, just you click it here, save the private. Once I click it here, then I cancel it because already I have done it here. Once you do up to this, a key will be generated, that is develop key dot ppk. So this is the key you have to remember. Okay, once it is over, then what you are going to do, while you are going for this putty first time, you come on here. In this putty, once it is opening here, you have to provide the IP address and you have to go for the key also. Okay, then what you need to do here, the first time you are giving login as ec2 hyphen user. When putty is connected, it is ec2 hyphen user. This is the thing, and it will be linked, everything you can get it here. Then after that, what you need to do, you have to create a super user, sudo super user hyphen enter. Then after that it will be created up to, you can see this line here, it is created. Then you can show yum update y, so it will update if any updation is there. Then yum install httpd.y, then you service httpd start. So up to this, once everything is fine, then and it is everything is fine and you can do it here. Then finally what you do, you go there and you go to the what is the IP address you have taken IPv for there, that copy and paste it here, run. Up to this you have seen, up to this you have seen all things. Okay, then coming to the other part of that one, that is I am talking about the, this is the putty part and this is the yeah. Yeah, then once you go for the sorry, okay, then once you go for this win scp, in the win scp I told you that the same thing you have to do it here. Once you click it there first time, then it will ask you what is the IP address, and also all this key that already I explained in our video number 1. All these things in the video number next video, part of this video already explained what to do. So once you select all the things, the entire thing it will be ready and it will come in front of you like that, home hyphen ec2 hyphen user, this is the username, and you can see the owner is root because it is the Linux platform it is created, and the permission rw read write execute, then read hyphen x, that means write is not there, then read hyphen x, that write is also not available here. Okay, so you know this is for the owner, for the group as well as for any others. So all these permission things, you know, in the Linux platform we already studied all the things. So with this you have the complete idea how to create a key and how to generate a key that converting to the ppk and how to use that one. So I hope this video will help you a lot for doing all the things. Thank you for watching this video, and if you do like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel. Take care of everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, fine, then immediately I go for this thing.